What is so great about the Banish oil and many of Banish's products is that our products are actually made fresh. So if you order them today, they're made and shipped out the next day, so you get them in 2 to 3 business days. This is a fresh Banish oil, which is clear, and this has L-ascorbic acid. L-ascorbic acid is the most potent form of vitamin C, and that means it can actually go into the skin cell walls and really help get that collagen building process going. But vitamin C is very unstable when exposed to light or air. If you take your Banish oil and you leave it out in the sun, and if you use it constantly, you just leave it out for over 6 months, your Banish oil is going to turn a yellow color. So I can put these side by side and you can see the difference of the oils. And that's because a lot of vitamin C serum brands out there, they actually artificial color their serums orange before selling it, because the way they make their products, they need to keep them lasting for a really long time, and the vitamin C will not be as effective if it's older. The older the vitamin C is, the not as effective it is, simply because L-ascorbic acid is very unstable. So you can see I have 2 different vitamin C serum brands out here, and they are definitely bright orange. Ooh, what happened here? They're definitely bright orange. Also, we don't use any like silicones in the product. We don't use any mineral oils. We use actually vegetable glycerin, which helps hydrate the skin. It is one of our best sellers. We purchase product, people love this stuff. We don't need to artificially add anything like antifreeze components, more preservatives or colors to make the product last longer, because they are sent directly to you. They're not stored in a warehouse or in a retail shelf for God knows how long. And we've had this since the day we started in 2013, and we have not changed it at all.